Konnichiwa minasan, it's quiz time. Today we'll be testing our knowledge and to see how much we've learned and to reinforce key concepts. So here's how it will work. I will ask a question and you'll have a few moments to think about your answer before I reveal the correct one. So grab a pen and paper if you need to and let's get started. Good luck! So first, let's have the directions. Identify the kanji word given in the sentence. Match the kanji with its correct hiragana reading and select the correct option from the provided choices. So here's the sentence. Isu no shita ni neko ga imasu. 1. 上 2. 中 3. 下 4. 後ろ. What's the correct answer? The answer is shita. So let's break down the sentence and the choices. Isu mean chair. No is a possessive particle often translated as of or used to indicate positions or relation. Shita means under or below. Ni is a location particle indicating where something is. Neko means cat. Ga is a subject marker. And imas means there is or is present. It is used for animate objects. So the sentence Isu no shita ni neko ga imasu means the cat is under the chair. So here's the choices. 1. 上 means above or on top. 2. 中 means inside. 3. 下 means under or below. 4. 後ろ means behind. The correct choice is shita means under or below because the sentence states that the cat, neko, is located under the chair, isu. The particle ni indicates the location where the cat is, which is under the chair. Here's how each choice translates and why it is or is not correct. 1. 上 means above or on top, would mean the cat is on top of the chair. Naka means inside, it would mean the cat is inside the chair. Shita means under or below, it would mean the cat is under the chair, which matches the original sentence. Ushiro means behind, would mean the cat is behind the chair. Thus, shita is the correct answer.